We interrupt your programming. This message was transmitted by the U.S. government. The civil government has issued unknown entity warning. The local authorities has seen unknown entity of unknown origin that has entered your area. Affected areas are Elkhart and South Bend. Board up all windows and entrances to your local home. Don't answer anyone outside if you see or hear something. Don't hesitate to call police. This message is not a test. Please take cover now. The entity is in your area. The entity is seen to be a cat colored in black fur. The entity's eyes are elongated. The entity's teeth have blood stains on them. It has a seam of cartoon gloves. If you see any of these details on something, call police.